Hey Pearl friends, welcome back. We got another exciting video here for you this week. Actually, we've got two this week. Tonight's video is for orders 3277 through 3311. And make sure you head on over to our website. We're getting on the last few days here to take advantage of our July special where you can save $10 per oyster. Not sure when we're going to do that again, so make sure you head on over there. Also, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We're planning to do another giveaway soon, so keep your eyes peeled for details, which will be posted on one of those two platforms, or both of them. And without further ado, let's get to the opening of the oysters.
Hey everyone, we hope you're having a great start to your week. I just want to quickly mention that we did order more of those love necklaces, so we anticipate them back in stock this week. So make sure you don't miss out on that. If you saw that they were sold out, they should be back this week. All right, so our first order today is going to be for Lori. We're going to open two. All right, this one is a pink, a light, soft pink. It's really subtle, 7.06. And we've got a white, classic white. Oh my goodness, twins. Oh my goodness. Wow, right away too. That's so awesome. So these seem like they're pretty close in color. 7.22 and 7.23. Wow, look at that. Almost the same size. Yeah, really similar in color too. All right, congratulations to Lori. We'll just put these separate. Okay, so next we're going to open one for Natalie, order 3277. Well, let's open this one. This one's kind of cool. It's got, I don't know what this is, like a little mini sea creature or something. I can't say for sure. All right, we've got kind of a cream. $7.29. Yeah, just a beautiful classic, a little bit more of like a creamier white. Congratulations to Natalie. Next we're going to open one for Sarah, order 3280. And there's a message here that says, "Happy birthday, Becca. Thanks for being my bestie. Love, Sarah." All right, we got another beautiful white. This one is very shiny. 7.31. Yeah, this one's just like a perfect pearl. Just exactly what you think of when you think of a pearl. Congratulations to Becca and happy birthday. Next we're opening one for Patty, order 3281. Oh, there it is. I was thinking I didn't have one for a second. Wow, we are on a roll with these whites. Started out with those white twins. Now we're just getting these beautiful classic pearls. 7.16 And I want to say this has a little bit of a cream to it. Really, really nice iridescence to it too. Kind of has that dark undertone. Really beautiful. Congratulations to Patty. We're going to open 4 for Sevilla next, order 3282. And there's a message here that says, Sarah, I love you. You're the best thing that has ever happened to me. Love you, Mom. All right, your first one is a really beautiful pink. It's a really kind of a dark, rich pink. $6.9495. And this one is more of a purple, kind of a pinkish purple. And it's really shiny. 7.07. We've got a dark. This one's almost black, maybe a tint of like a charcoal black. 7.32. Ooh, look at that. It is a really bright purple. A bright dark purple. 7.35. All right, congratulations. Those are really beautiful colors. I really like those. Next order is for Rochelle, order 3283. We're going to open 4. And there's a message here that says, for Sarah, my best friend forever. Here's to our next adventure. Ooh, really pretty. It's definitely got some green in there. A little bit of a blue, but more green. Beautiful. 7.58. This one is not quite white, maybe a really light pink. 7.04. And this one's a silvery pink. Got kind of a dark silver undertone with just that really subtle pink color to it. 7.45. Just makes it a little darker. Ooh, and we got a cranberry, really dark red cranberry. 7.33. All right, congratulations to Sarah. Definitely a mermaid on that first one. We got that bluish green going on. Whoop. Okay, we're going to open one for Chitana next. This is order 3284. It's a really thick one. Oh no. I'm not. Oh, there it is. You guys probably saw that way before I saw that. I'm not sure when that snuck out, but wow, it's a beautiful violet. 7.12. Yeah, really beautiful purple. Congratulations. I almost thought I didn't have one in there. All right, next we're opening two for Courtney, order 3285. And we have a silver. $7.1. Whoop. The second one is dark. This is a really juicy one. All right, this one has kind of a little brown or like a blue to it. 7.28. It's hard to describe this one. Turn it around here now that we got sand on it. It's almost black. It's really dark. Congratulations, Courtney. We're going to open one for Anna next, order 3286. Ooh, you got a cranberry. $7.04. It's a really dark kind of burgundy red. Congratulations to Anna. Okay, next we're opening 13. These are for Mackenzie, order 3288. We're going to start out with a really deep blue. $7.11. We have a creamy white. $7.16. My fingers are getting a little slippery. This one's also a little cream, probably not as cream as that one. This one almost makes me think it has a little bit of like a peach to it. It's definitely got like a little warm tone. 7.05. You can see next to each other. That one's just a little darker. And we have another blue, a little bit brighter blue, kind of a tealy blue. $7.15. This one is white, a little bit more of like a silver undertone. $7.2223. Ooh, cranberry. This one's bright. This is a really bright red. And we have 7 millimeters. Another beautiful blue. $7.38. And this one is black, maybe a little bit of like a purple charcoal. Almost like a, yeah, like a charcoal kind of green on there too. 7.09. It's a tiny little oyster here. Got a beautiful cream. $7.05. This one is purple, like a light purple. $7.0302. Ooh, you got a silver. $7.41. All right, so we got 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. Oh, I got an extra one here. This one is a shiny peach. $7.28. All right, number 13 here from Mackenzie. And it is kind of a golder peach. $7.331. All right, look at that. Lots of variety here. That last one's super bright. A couple of them got a little bit of fuzz from this towel that I'm using, but very, very gorgeous. Congratulations, Mackenzie. Okay, next we're opening 18 for Stephanie, order 32.90. All right, and the first two we're gonna put in a separate bag. So I'm gonna just open those first. Ooh, really metallic, kind of a pinkish peach, but super metallic. $7.12. Yeah, definitely gold and silver on that one. Ooh, and a beautiful purple. Really iridescent purple. Pretty big, 7.62. All right, so here's the first two that we're gonna keep separated per your request. And then we'll go ahead and we'll open 16 here. I'm gonna do 8 at a time. This is a peach. $7.38. We've got a really dark blue, almost black, but does have that like blue, like a black blue. 7.34. And this one is also peach, not as gold peach, maybe more pink peach. 7.21. Well, not really pink, just a little different tone of peach. Ooh, we got a red, a deep, kind of a wine red. $7.15. And a cream. $7.32. This one is white. $7.39. Right, kind of a chameleon here, a little bit of like a greenish purple, kind of charcoal black. $6.95. Ooh, look at that. Electric blue. $7.18. All right, so there's the first 8. We'll go ahead and we'll open 8 more here. Wow, that blue is so vibrant. We have a black. 7.24. Ooh, this one's a silvery purple. 7.1718. Got a cream. $7.16. This one looks really big. It's also kind of a creamy white. Looks really, really big. Look at that, 7.84. It's huge. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Lots of meat in this one. This is a really metallic-y, dark kind of purple. How deep that color is. 7.3738. We've got a silver. Wow, we're getting amazing variety here for you. Okay, silver one is 7.07. This one is not quite white. I want to say a really, really subtle pink. 7.38. It's almost white. All right, and our last one is a really dark kind of a black blue. $7.08. All right, so then you got the second row of 8 there. Just stunning, beautiful. All right, so we had your first 2 in this bag here, and I will put these in a different bag. All right, congratulations to Stephanie. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up some shells and fill up my bowl, and I will be right back. Okay, so next we're gonna open 4 for Kelly, order 3292. This one is a light peach. $7.1718. We've got kind of a blue. $7.43. Ooh, this one is a dark kind of silverish purple. $7.52, so pretty big. And the fourth one is a peach. Brighter than the first though. $7.15. And a really dark, rich peach there. Congratulations to Kelly. We're going to open one for Neve next, order $32.93. We get a dark, kind of a chameleon. You can see a little bit of like a purple, kind of like a coppery color. Just really subtle, but you can see a little color in it. 6.96. Congratulations to Neve. We will be opening 5 for Justine, order $32.94. You got a really dark cranberry to start. Ooh, this one is really slippery. Get it wiped off here. 7.14. This is a light silvery pinkish purple. $7.2122. All right, a shiny cream. $7.32. This oyster is really big. Look at that. We have a shiny black. It's really shiny for a dark one. $7.07. And number 5 is kind of a pinky peachy. $7.26. Very pretty. Really nice wide range of colors there. Congratulations. We're going to open 5 for Sherry next, order $32.95. All right, we have a cream. $7.28. Ooh, this one is dark. A little bit of a blue. 7.2. Ooh, rolled right out of there. It's a silvery pink. 7.33. This one is a peachy pink. $7.34. And last one we have is, looks like a pretty big white. Yes, 7.85. Man, some of these whites are just so big. Congratulations to Sherry. We're going to open 4 for Bobby next, order 3297. Our first one is kind of a cream. It's really shiny. Really warm creamy color. 7.39. This one is a light peach. $7.06. Ooh, beautiful. It's a silvery purple, kind of a pinkish purple. $7.64, so pretty big. And a cranberry. Awesome. $7.2122. Congratulations to Bobby. Okay, next order is for Ray, order 3303. We're going to open 2. And there's a message here that says, for 2 special friends, Kate and Callie. Here are 2 beautiful pearls and a friendship that will be as lasting as pearls. Really sweet message there. Our first one, ooh, look at that. It is a beautiful violet purple. Pretty big, 7.57. And then we have a light purple, kind of a purplish pink. $7.31. Very pretty. Congratulations. We will open 2 for Christina next, order 3304. And there's a message here that says, to my beautiful mother, happy birthday. Ooh, got a dark kind of a cranberry wine red. $7.25. And a beautiful peach. A little bit of a gold tone to that one, 7.33. Well, happy birthday and congratulations to Christina's mom. We're going to open 2 for Michelle next, order 3305. Ooh, that is pretty. It's I want to say kind of a pinkish. $7.16. And the second one's a dark, a little bit of like a coppery brownish green in that one. $7.33. All right, congratulations, Michelle. Next, we're opening 3 for Lau, order 3306. All right, this is a really big kind of a peachy pink. $7.49, 7.5. Yeah, it seems like really, really big. This one is a really light peach. Probably more of like a creamy gold. $7.28. And we have a white, kind of a creamy white. $7.21. You can see how that middle one just has a little bit more of like a color to it when you have it next to that cream. It's almost like the middle one is a mix between those two. Very, very, very pretty. Congratulations. We're going to open 1 for Michelle next, order 3309. And there's a message here that says, happy birthday, Mom. I love you so much. Hope you get colors as beautiful as you are. Love, Michelle. Ooh, and it is a stunning silver. $7.18. Yeah, very pretty. Well, happy birthday. We're going to open 2 for Debbie next, order 3310. This one is white with a silver undertone. $7.11. Oh, a little bit more cream once you get it in the sand there. All right, your second one is kind of a pink. $7.05. Those look very pretty together. Congratulations to Debbie. All right, we're down to our last order for today's video. This is for Valerie, order 3311. We're opening 2. We have a beautiful blue, kind of like a teal spot on there, and it's almost like a purple blue or just like a really bright blue. 7.33. Ooh, and a cranberry. Look at that, 2 dark, really kind of a bright, rich colors. 7.06. Congratulations to Valerie. Alright, so that's going to do it for today's video. We do have another video tomorrow, so make sure you check that out. Just want to thank everybody who ordered and everyone for watching, and we hope you have a wonderful night. Thank you.